Yay. So today we're going to be raising a platform underneath our wood-burning fireplace insert and trying to get the tallest hearth that we can for the customer. So up here we can have a minimum of 42 inches, and that's going to dictate what our total height can be down here at the bottom. This little trick that I'm doing right now is called scribing. It's just a better way to draw a straight line, slow it down, and you'll see the thumb is gripping with the fingers on the tape measure. I do a similar thing when I'm cutting a straight line with a skill saw. Same thing, I'm gripping the guard at the bottom of the saw to try to keep myself as straight as possible when I'm cutting. Just makes it go a little bit faster and a little bit straighter. We're trying to get the most out of the board, so based on the size that we came up with at the bottom, we're cutting 2 pieces out of one 2x12 here. And wouldn't you know it, we tripped the breaker. So I'm building the box, just using a Hitachi nailer. Sped the video up a little bit so I don't bore the crap out of everybody. Basically the idea is to lift the insert up off the floor so that we can get a little bit of a higher hearth height. They would like to be able to sit down on that hearth when we get done and maybe put their shoes on when they get older, was actually what the customer said. So basically nail guns can be point and shoot. This one we've got it set up with the bump for the trigger and the nail release. Makes it a little faster. In this case, we're just nailing that box in place, and I've already pre-cut all my pieces. Notice my hand, it is not right at the edge of the wood. I have been shot in the hand before. It's a lesson you don't want to learn the hard way. And I had to shift a little bit to get a better angle into the nail. Now, right here, it's important when you're building a box on a floor like this that you try to make sure all that debris is out of the way. You don't want that underneath your stud or joist that you're nailing in to build that box. Again, the hand is a little further back in case there's a misfire. You don't want to be shot in the hand. And you'll notice kind of the layout on here. We're with a 16-inch on center, so that the weight is evenly distributed for that box. That insert doesn't really weigh a lot, but 16-inch center is kind of an industry standard. We'll get the insert put back in place, and now we're ready to build the hearth. So I'm starting to rip wood for that. Again, speeding it up because I don't want to bore everybody. This particular board we had to cut and notch out around to start building that box in front of the fireplace. And I already showed you how to nail a box together, so this is the finished product.